Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So just taking a quick daily look at Polygon here, and as we can see, looking like it is still chopping it up in that range that it has fallen back into here. You can see we had that push up to the 618, but with that FTX news, we did see ourselves falling back inside the range that we have been chopping inside of for a good while here. But as we've said before, Polygon's still showing a good amount of strength in the markets, really. You know, looking more similar in terms of its chart to Ethereum, that Bitcoin. Obviously, Bitcoin coming down, making another lower low recently, but Polygon really, you know, showing quite a lot of strength in the face of all that bearishness in the market. You can see, obviously, with that big fall down, capitulation to the downside, big bullish divergences, get the pickup in this area of structure here, which is where we, we tapped into here. We come back up through our fibs, which we can draw in here. You can see, obviously, since, for a good while now, been trading in between the 038 and the 050 on the Fibonacci. Resistance and support like this, we finally get the breakout up to the 618. As we said, we fall back inside the range because of the FTX Black Swan event news. We get a little bit of a pickup off that low, but looks like we fell back inside the range, and now on the hourly time frame you can see what's happening. We're kind of just chopping it up in that area again, retesting the range as resistance by the looks of things, forming a little bit of a smaller range like this. You get that false breakout, and then obviously a lot of volatility, but we've come back inside of that range now, stuck underneath that 050 level yet again. And most likely right now Polygon's probably just going to chop sideways like the wider market, trying to figure out what's going to happen next, basically. So very simply, as we said, for Polygon, we'd say realistically it's looking like it's most likely just going to be chopping sideways and cooling off until we wait to see what's happening in the wider market. You can see obviously a lot of these developments here were dictated by the wider market as well. And we'd say, whilst you're in a range, very simply, Polygon, you want to be targeting up here at that 050 level, at that 96 cent level, getting back above $1, obviously a critical issue as well. But if we do roll over, you're probably going to come down, retest some of these lows down here in between, you'd say 75 to 80 cents in this area here, most likely. So those would be that'd be our daily update for Polygon today. Not much is happening, and also some price targets as well. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.